we just came back from Ross. Now we're at Tacos El Gordo, getting quesadilla con carne asada. So, and then some french fries because we want some. And it is pouring rain.
It's pretty.
Yeah. And Richard finally got a haircut, which I'm happy about. So, but yeah, we're both really hungry, and we live around the corner, so thankfully that we don't have to go too far to go home. But yeah, we just got a candle, some essential oils, a toy for Ozzy, and a hoodie for me because I want to bleach it. So I'm excited about that. But yeah, can't wait to eat. I'm hungry. Hey everyone, so I'm gonna do a little bit of a DIY. I'm gonna turn this jumper and I'm gonna bleach it. So I'm gonna turn it into like a tie-dye with bleach jumper. And I'm hoping that it will look something like that. This was just like a practice one for me, so I like the way it came out. But yeah, I wanted it in a hoodie. So I got this one from the Swamp Meat, and I'm just gonna use some Clorox. Just a little bit of a disclaimer. It is bleach, so be very careful. It is very strong. So just make sure that you have somebody, you know, that's old enough to help you. If you are young, if you're my age, just be careful with the fumes. Alright guys, so I have set myself down on the floor. I've set up where I have the jumper or the hoodie, and now I'm gonna go ahead and kind of play around with the bleach and whatnot. So wish me luck. So I did spray and it reacted pretty quickly, but I needed something a little bit more to make like dots or like teardrops. So I ended up putting bleach in bottled water and then just kind of making a hole so I can kind of guide the teardrops through the hoodie. So hopefully that works. Okay, so I just done the kind of like the main area, and I just sprayed the shit out of it. It looks pretty good to me. I mean, it looks all messy right now, but once, you know, I wash it and dry it and just put it on me, I think it should be fine. So yeah, let's continue. So I don't have any like hair ties for me to have like tied it up. So I'm just kind of using the motion of just like spraying the shit out of it and seeing what comes out, or what design comes out on the hoodie. But yeah, the bleach is getting a little strong, so I'm just gonna wait for a couple of minutes and then go ahead and wash it and see how it's gonna look. Alright, so I think it actually worked out really well. I love the way that the design looks. The way that I was kind of going for was like the main area and where you put your arms in. I wanted that area to be probably the most soaked in bleach. And then the top was just more of a like spray everywhere and see where it goes, but it looks really freaking cool. I'm just gonna go ahead and give it a wash, and then I'm gonna go ahead and put it in the dryer and then see how it comes out. I think it looks awesome. And then I'm thinking of putting some writing or like a design. Richard does vinyl printing, or right, yeah, vinyl printing, so he knows how to do all that, and I want to see what design I want to put on the hoodie with this cool look of the bleach with black. Looks really cool. Looks good on camera too. I've got two cameras, so right now I'm using my phone, and then I'm using my camera for you guys to see how I did the jumper. But yeah, loving, good. All right guys, so this is the finished product of me bleaching my jumper. This is how it came out. Look how fucking cool it is. It is so cool. See, I wanted more of the bleach to be here than the top part of the hoodie. I am very happy with the result of the bleaching of the jumper, and now I'm gonna go and see what I kind of want to put on it, like if I want to put a sticker, if I want to put like words. I've been really liking the Japanese wording, so it's pretty cool. Alright guys, so this is it on. Look how nice it is. See, I wanted more of the bleach to hit this bottom part and then the rest just kind of be like everywhere, but I am absolutely loving the way that this came out. I didn't know that this was gonna come out this freaking cool. I even got like the hoodie part of it, so as you can see, like it's so cool. Oh, okay, so I'm so happy with the way that it came out. I'm not sure if I want to put any stickers on it or any writing, just because I feel like it's already so cool the way that it is. But if I did, I would probably do some writing or put like, I don't know, a sticker or something on it. Richard has the vinyl hot presser, so it's easy for us to just like print it out and then just put it on the hoodie. But I am so happy with it. Huge thumbs up on this DIY jumper thing. And this jumper just cost me $17 at the swap meet, and it's really good quality. Like, I really do love the quality of the jumper. Like, inside it's very warm. I'm hot right now in it. Oh, just because we live in a small apartment, so it can get really hot quickly. But huge thumbs up to this DIY. And I didn't touch these with the bleach just because I didn't want them to have them on. But yeah, this is pretty cool. Huge thumbs up. This is with bleach, just bleach, that's it. And you guys saw the way I did it. I used a water bottle and then I just cracked like a little hole, and then I sprayed it, and this is what came out. So this is what I love the design. I mean, it's so cool. Love it. Huge fan. Alright guys, well that is it. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.